Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to put a bobbin in a case. So first you need to find the slit in which the thread needs to go. You need to go over here and then you need to pass it through this little knob right there. So all you need to do is have this face towards you. So I'm gonna face it towards me. And I have my bobbin case in here. I just need to remember that I need to make a P to place it in the casing and then slit the thread in. Not a Q, but a P. Just remember, P. And then you're gonna slip this in the casing. Have a P. Slip it in there. And now I'm gonna put the thread in, slide it towards that little hole right there, pull it through. There you go. If your bobbin turns counterclockwise, is good. If it turns clockwise, that means it's not good. So you need to do it again. So I hope this little tip can help you.